Girl, you want to whip. Girl, you want to whip. Push your hand for the whip. Push your eye for the whip. Push your nose for the whip. Push everything for the whip.
Perdona si te hago llorar. Perdona si te hago sufrir. Pero es que no está en mis manos. Pero es que no está en mis manos. Me enamora. Me enamora. Donde me tocó vivir contigo, allá la quiero, a mi vida. Pero si tú quieres, seremos amigos. Yo te ayudo a olvidar el pasado. No te apegues, ya no te apegues. No, imposible, no, ya no te harás.
We got problem. This is problem. Guatemala is trying to interfere with police. That is problem. That is big problem. Yeah, that's what we believe. I could hear them say, bring it back, bring it back, bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. Hey, hey. Belizeans! Let me see them flags, let me see them flags. I got to see my flags. Don't afraid to pull it out. Yeah, therefore we believe, I could hear them say. Yeah, therefore we believe in Independence Day. We are a part of the colonial share. And this land belongs to the people of the Caribbean. Tell them. Tell Guatemala, leave we Belize alone. We are independent and we must be on we own. Tell them respect our sovereignty and our rights to live independently with one love and one heart and one day. destiny. Tell them, tell them, tell them. Harabaribabakumbe. Central America in the Caribbean. A new nation from 1981. Cause the British soldiers is our friend. And they're gonna fight for freedom till the bitter end. Tell the oppressors leave the country alone. We are independent and we must be on our own. Tell them respect our sovereignty and our rights to live independently with one love and one heart and one destiny. Tell them, tell them, tell them. Listen. I hope the generals do not have no plan to invade we like how they invade Falkland. Cause the British soldiers is our friend. And they go to fight for freedom till the bitter end. So you tell them, tell Guatemala leave we country alone. We are independent and we must be on our own. Tell them respect our sovereignty and our rights to live independently with one love and one heart and one destiny. Tell them, tell them, tell them. Barabalibabakumbe. Come on. How you feeling, believe?